I like to measure the ribbon before getting started so I make sure I have enough length to wrap around the full box. Start by laying your ribbon flat against the front side of your box and then flip it over and cross the ribbons to create an X shape on the back. Pull it tight to keep your bow secure. Now flip the box over again and cross your two ends of ribbon underneath the flat piece on the front. This will keep your ribbon in place so you can tie your bow. I like to use the bunny ear method so I can shape my bow loops before tying the knot. Once the knot is secure, you can play with the size and placement of the ears and tails until you're happy with your final look. Some ribbons are easier to work with than others. A wired ribbon will be the easiest to manipulate, and velvet can be a lot trickier. Shop these exclusive wrapping paper prints and our favorite ribbons to match at the link in the description.